What is good, y'all boys and girls, man? I'm coming back here. Damn. Fuck it, I gotta redo the intro. What is good, y'all boys and girls, bro? I'm coming at y'all with another reaction video, man. This video I'm gonna be reacting to my boy Young Thug, bro. My boy might be getting out. Let's see what's going on.
This hour right now, we could be moments away from a key moment in the YSL RICO trial. You are looking live inside the courtroom in Fulton County right now, where you see defendant Jeffrey Williams there, also known as Young Thug. Let's listen in to what's happening inside the courtroom.
To violate the Racketeer Influenced and Corrupt Organizations Act, participation in criminal street gang activity, the leadership charge, participation in criminal street gang activity, violation of the Georgia Controlled Substances Act, 3 counts, possession of a firearm during the commission of a felony, and possession of a machine gun. Do you understand that?
Yes.
All right. And do you understand that you have the right to plead either guilty or not guilty to these charges, and that if you plead not guilty or remain silent, you will continue to receive a jury trial?
Yes.
And have you received this waiver of rights form that I hold in my hand from your attorney and reviewed it with your attorney?
Yes.
All right. And is this your signature on the bottom of this form?
Yes.
Have you had enough time to speak with your attorneys, Mr. Steele and Mr. Adams, about all of the facts and circumstances known to you regarding the charges in indictment 22 SC 183572, including...
God damn, those some numbers, ain't it?
Yes.
Do you need additional time to discuss this case with your attorneys?
No.
Are you satisfied with their services?
Yes.
Mr. Steele and Mr. Adams, do you on behalf of Mr. Williams waive a formal reading of this indictment?
Yes, Your Honor. You do.
And do you, Mr. Williams, waive any and all defects in this indictment, including any with respect to your name?
Yes.
Have you been arrested on these charges?
Yes.
The state is unaware of any outstanding warrants related to these charges. Do you or your attorneys know of any outstanding warrants related to these charges?
Any what?
Outstanding warrants related to any of the charges in the indictment?
No,
No.
I don't believe so either, Your Honor.
Okay. And I'm unaware of any as well, Your Honor.
I am as well.
Thank you. Have your attorneys advised you of the minimum and maximum sentence for each of the
Now we get
crimes
into the nitty-gritty.
that you are charged with,
Yes.
and each of the charges that you are pleading guilty to?
Yes.
All right.
They ain't gonna say it.
Your Honor, with respect to the charges that Mr. Williams faces, count 1 carries a minimum charge of 5 years.
Yeah, that's one.
And a maximum charge of 20 years in prison, or up to a $25,000 fine, or both.
Isn't it a $15,000 fine, because wasn't it the version of the statute in effect at the time, or was that the same for RICO? Was RICO 25?
Yes,
Back-
RICO was
okay.
25.
All right, thank you.
You're welcome. Count 56 carries a minimum sentence of 5 years in prison, a maximum
I ain't gonna
of
cap, but them courtroom ladies be looking good as hell, bruh. Like
20
no
years
cap.
in prison, consecutive to any other sentence, with a fine of $10,000 to $15,000, or both.
Okay.
Count
Y'all see
57
that?
carries a minimum sentence of 5 years in prison and a maximum sentence of 20 years in prison. Count 58 carries a minimum sentence of 1.
I don't even
and a
need to see the
maximum
ad. I mean the
sentence of
face,
10
bro. I'm an
years in
ad type
prison.
person.
Count 59 carries a sentence range of 5 to 30 years in prison. Count 60 carries a sentence
Hang on,
range.
slow down just a second. All right, and that's for the amount of that drug that was
Dang,
found
bruh.
on 59,
I can't even
5 to
focus.
30?
That's as a result of the charge itself. I believe District with intent to distribute.
I think that 59, Your Honor, is simple possession of cocaine. I have to look at the indictment to be
I think
sure.
that's 60.
Okay.
Like, bro, what the fuck, bro? It right in front of me, bro. Let me tighten up.
59 is codeine, and
Yes.
60 is cocaine.
Yes.
All these motherfucking laws and shit.
Your Honor, it is with the intent to distribute, so my reading of the statute is that it carries the range of 5 to 30.
Okay.
God damn.
And Your Honor, also, as I have the indictment in my hand for Ms. Rosser, may I pass it to counsel for Mr. Williams?
Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Oh, nah, that's pressure right there. That pressure.
Your Honor, with the court's permission, I'll permit time
Go
for
ahead.
them to. Okay. Count 60 carries a range of 1 to 5 years in prison. Count 61 carries a mandatory 5 years consecutive to the underlying felony. Count 62 carries a sentence of 10 years consecutive for a total maximum exposure of 120 years in prison.
God. Oh my God. 120
Were you
years?
aware of that, Mr. Williams?
Yes.
Do you understand that neither the court nor the district attorney's office has anything to do with parole or the Department of Corrections or the Board of Pardons and Paroles, and that if you are sentenced to confinement in the Georgia Department of Corrections, no one can guarantee parole?
You can say yes.
Well,
She asked you, do you say that?
Oh,
you can
yes,
guarantee
ma'am.
Parole.
Your Honor, may I allow Mr. Williams time to finish signing the indictment?
Okay.
But them folks had 120 years. Bro, how many life sentences is that? I ain't even gonna go on the other screen and fuck up the video, bro. But you know that's some life sentences.
Your Honor, with permission, may I approach with a member of Mr. Williams' team?
You may.
Thank you.
Bro, holding all that goddamn weight, bro, on your goddamn shoulders is fucking crazy. Is that the end of the video? Okay, I think that's the end of the video. I'm seeing. Yeah, that's the end of the video. Alright though, y'all. It was fun chopping it up with y'all. I might react to this one right quick too. But I'm gonna do that in the next video. But yeah. Make sure y'all, if y'all fuck with the video, make sure y'all share, and I'm out, y'all boys. Y'all boys be safe.